Hello and welcome to this very quick video. This is to announce the winner of this giveaway here. This is for the Speedybee F7 all-in-one flight controller, and for the video I released a couple of weeks back. Now this is a great little thing, all in one, and it has all the Speedybee goodness so that you can actually connect to it with the Bluetooth app. Now loads of people got involved with this, so thank you to everyone for that. Thank you for commenting and getting with the spirit of the giveaway. Just cut and paste the URL. Make sure that we get rid of any duplicate users so nobody can gain the system. Get all of the comments. Wow, there was an awful lot on that one. So let's pick a winner. So the winner of the flight controller is Guile FPV. Guile, congratulations. Hopefully that's how you pronounce that. Let's have a quick look at your channel. Oh yes, definitely into FPV. Looks like you do a lot of flying. So this hopefully will be right up your street and allow you to maybe upgrade an existing quad or maybe go and make something new. So Guile FPV, congratulations, well done. Send me your details to lee@painless360.com and then we'll confirm your identity and get this out to you. But if you're not Guile FPV and you didn't win, don't worry, there's going to be another giveaway in about a week's time. So make sure you're subscribed and have the bell notification icon selected for the channel. Thanks for watching the video and watching right to the very end. You can find me in all the usual places on social media, and if you like the video and like what I'm doing here, then hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon too. If you really like what I'm doing, you can go the extra mile and become one of my Patreons for access to me directly for support and also giveaways and regular updates too. If you're looking for particular content, then check out the playlist. I organize all of my videos into playlists, so if you're looking for a particular topic, you can find everything here. If it's called Introduction To, it's designed to start very simply and build on that simple introduction to teach you all about it. If it's called For Beginners, then that is really aimed at people who are brand new to that part of the hobby. You can also search on YouTube for anything that you're interested in using the search function at the top. So iNav Painless 360 will find all of my videos and even the playlist around iNav. So thanks again for watching and happy flying.